Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Snipping tool and positioning the first page you want to capture. You set mode to the shape you need and adjust zoom so content is legible. Once done, click New and draw your snip precisely. Make sure to include margins and any context you'll need for stitching. If menus or hover states are required, use delay. You save the first image to a temporary folder and keep consecutive pages ready before proceeding. You now capture the remaining pages one by one using New for each snip, maintaining the same framing so images align when combined later. Make sure to name files in sequence like 01, 02, 03 to preserve order and avoid accidental overwrites. Once a snip is saved, switch to the next page or scroll to the next section and repeat quickly to keep formatting consistent. If a page spans beyond one screen, capture overlapping sections for accurate stitching afterward. To finish, import your sequential snips into an image editor or PDF creator and place them in order, aligning edges and cropping uniformly. Once done, export as a single PDF or stitched image. If alignment is off, recapture with consistent margins or include about 1/4 overlap to ease stitching. Make sure to check the folder where you saved files if something is missing. If you encounter clipped content, re-snipping with adjusted zoom solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.